Hi guys. So today we're going to talk about doing Noico. So as you can see, we ordered 5 boxes of Noico to pretty much completely do the whole entire van. But I think we're going to need probably 2 more boxes, so a total of 7 boxes. We're not 100% Noico experts, but we may be putting more than needed.
I am.
But we think that more is better than less, and as you can tell, it really dampens the noise. If you can hear that side versus this side, nothing over there. So we're working in our garage. The temperature outside is probably, I don't know, in the low 20s to the mid 30s. So our garage, we're just using some space heaters to keep it warm in here. So what we found that's been easiest to install the Noico, since it's not super hot outside, is using a heat gun, as you can see here. So we've just measured out the pieces that we'll need to fit into wherever we're going to work. We get them warm with the heat gun, and then we place them on there. Works best if you can take off a little bit at a time. You take off a little bit, then you use the roller that you can order on Amazon too. Roll it on like that, and then take a little bit more of that paper off as you go down to avoid getting air bubbles in there. Again, we're not experts on installing this stuff, but that's what's worked best for us. So we've got about this whole wall of the van done, the door, all the doors besides the one that slides, and we still have that whole side of the van, the roof, and then a sliding door to do. So I think we'll need to order 2 more boxes of Noico, so a total of 7. So that's what we're working on today. Thanks, guys.